Oh, you got it.
Hey, Mr. B. Hey, look, manners and respect to you. This is Tony. Remember, I called you on the phone and I was asking you about the oil heater, the oil burning furnace. So I'm at the property now. Here's the tank right here, right? Here's the tank. So let me show you what we got going on right here. There was an addition built onto the house, and they hooked up this natural gas furnace, and this actually supplies that addition. If you see, there's the line for the oil. It runs all the way back here, and then it goes to this oil burning furnace right here, right? This oil burning furnace is actually connected to the air conditioning unit. So my question to you is, can we get this pulled out and get a natural gas furnace replaced for this and run black piping over and, hook this up? Can we do that? Can we do that? That will make the world of difference. I know there'll be two furnaces in here, but this one would supply the addition, and then this one would supply the main house. I'm gonna send this video to you. I just wanted to take the time out to get it to you because I know you and the guys are super busy, but hopefully you can help me out and come up with some ideas. Stay safe out there. I'll talk to you soon, man.